welcome to a quick introduction of the R3 Model's desktop experience. It's real basic. Let me start off with the records library. Now this is obviously not this is just a records folder to the bottom left. And if you see, everything's with what we call a chrono date, or the number of the date, and then the day of the week. And what we do is the last 7 days, or this week at a time, Monday through Sunday, you've got 9:26 to 10:02, and you'll notice that that is the same as up here, and they're just shortcuts. Now, what does this mean to an R3 working on CenterPort? Well, everybody working on CenterPort should have the same desktop, and there's a reason for a standard. As normally, you'll have a little sun up here, and you can screenshot this. And actually, I made some quick notes so we can go through them one by one. R3 standard for desktops. Record shortcut, I just showed you that. Chrono week shortcuts, those are the ones at the top. And then spell check and notes document. That's what I'm referring to down here. You just create a Word document or a document and call it SP 2011, the date 2011-09-27. And you can use this for notes or just spell check. I know it seems real basic. But throughout the day, you're going to make notes, doing all things, blog posts, everything else. And once that's done, what you want to do is you want to bring it up here, and bring it up and move it into that day. And before you do that, you can actually copy, and then change the date to the next day, like the 9th, September 28th for the next day. And then so every day you have, I'm just deleting that now. So basically, you always have your SP 2011, and then your date down there. That's very important as you move forward in the R3. Now, as you're doing screenshots and screencasts using Jing or Jing Pro, as you'll see here, we talk about Jing and Jing Pro. This is an R3 standard, for instance. For instant R3 standard screenshots and screencasts. This is very important, and that's how all these documents were created, or most of them. Some of them were created. Were a screenshot, and you usually just show a little sun up here. You click there and it creates a screenshot. Whether you're in gaming or whether you're a web developer, you're always doing screenshots of errors and what have you. Another thing in the R3 model I didn't really talk about, but I think it's important to note: if you're in Office 365, which you should be if you're using Office 365 and if you're on CenterPort, you should have using Link. Now, a lot of people haven't signed up yet for Link, so you don't see their name up here. But that's going to be for another time. I want to go into detail about that. But in short, when you're done with the day, let's say I drag all these documents, or actually I'll drag some of these documents as I do screenshots. I just drag them into Tuesday, and then bam, they're in there. I'm going to leave this out for now because this is open. It won't move anyway. So when the day's done, when Tuesday's done, you then bring out Wednesday and you work on Wednesday. You do screenshots and throw the days of the week. You throw pictures in there. You throw audios in there, whatever you need. And when you start a new week, all you do is you start a new day and you say, give the chrono number for the day 2011-10-03, and that will be Monday. And then you start a new week, and then you drag this into the records library as so, move, and then just create a shortcut here just like that, and then get rid of shortcut if it remains there. So it seems a little extra step, but as you see as we go on, at least it chronologically organizes everything that you have for that day. I'm just going to get rid of this for now, and that's all I have for pull out Tuesday, because that's what day it is, chrono week, and your chrono desk or R3 model desktop when you're working with SharePoint. Thank you.